Series priority determines which shows get recorded when there's a scheduling conflict with overlapping time slots. Each show is assigned a priority, and the higher priority show takes precedence. Xfinity assigns default priorities, but you can manually adjust them. To check and change priority, go to the X1 guide, select the series, and modify the priority settings. A higher number, such as 10, means higher priority. Xfinity DVRs have limited storage space on their hard drives. When the DVR is full, it automatically deletes older recordings if they're set to space needed. Cloud DVR provides unlimited storage for eligible plans, eliminating space constraints entirely. You can check your available space in the X1 settings under DVR or through the Xfinity My Account app. To free up space, delete unwanted recordings or change the Keep Until setting to space needed for less important shows. Next, review your recorded shows and delete any you no longer need. Use the menu to access your recordings and remove content you don't plan to watch. Focus on shows with the Keep Until setting set to Until I Delete. These won't be removed automatically and can fill up your storage quickly. If you're constantly running out of space, consider the Space Needed setting for most shows. This allows the DVR to automatically delete older recordings when space is needed. As a final option, upgrade to a cloud DVR plan if available. This provides unlimited storage and eliminates space concerns entirely. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve recording issues. Unplug your X1 DVR box for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Also, ensure your box has the latest firmware. Check for updates in Settings, Device Settings, Software Update. Keeping your box updated ensures smooth operation and access to the latest fixes. If recordings frequently fail, consider using Xfinity's on-demand service. Many shows are available on demand shortly after they air. The Xfinity Stream app lets you watch live TV and recordings on other devices. This workaround can be helpful if your DVR is consistently problematic. The future of Xfinity DVR is moving toward cloud-based solutions that reduce dependence on local storage. AI-driven scheduling will automate priority management, learning user preferences to minimize conflicts. These advancements will reduce recording failures and simplify the user experience. For now, understanding series priority and storage space remains key to reliable recordings.